Hi everyone, welcome back to Silly Science. I'm Miss Samantha and today I have for you another simple experiment that you can perform at home. It's called Magic Rainbow. Here's what you'll need. Skittles, a shallow plate, and some very warm water. The first step is to arrange your Skittles into a tight circle on the plate. It could be as big as the plate or really small. Either way, the Skittles should all be touching. And there's no specific order that you have to put the Skittles in. Just try not to have two of the same color next to each other. Make sure all the colors are different in a pattern. So that's the first step. The second step is to get an adult to help you with the very warm water. Like I said, it doesn't need to be boiling, but it can't be room temperature, so it should be very warm. And what you're gonna do with the water is pour it directly into the center of the plate in the middle of the Skittles. The water should touch all of the Skittles, but not submerge them. So it should just be a little bit so that it touches everything, but it doesn't completely drown them in water. Okay, are we ready? Okay, now that that's added, watch closely to see what happens next. Do you see anything happening? What's happening to the color of the Skittles? So, why does this work? Each Skittle coating has a different sugar density, which allows the colors to keep from running together. That's why you can see the path of every single color of each Skittle running to the center. Adding the warm water makes the coating on the Skittles dissolve, creating a really pretty rainbow. Cool, right? That's all for today. Try this experiment at home and let us know what you think. See you next time.